How to save money, 23 tips and tricks. Save on internet and mobile bill. Switch to a prepaid connection and use Wi-Fi wherever available instead of data. Minimize your electricity bill. Look around your house. There might be several places you're spending electricity. Subscribe to fewer television channels. DTH service providers sell channels in packs. Most of them offer the same type of programs. Saving on your LPG bill. LPG isn't the most effective method of cooking. Use alternatives like induction stoves and electric kettles. Saving on transportation cost. Consider using public transport whenever possible. Using shopping lists. Supermarkets are designed to tempt you to buy more. Buy only what you need. Don't buy products during offers. There isn't much point in buying 3 pairs of jeans that look the same. Online shopping. Online prices in India are extremely competitive. Sites offer coupons, cashback offers, and discounts. Saving tax. You might be spending more money than you are liable to. Buy only the things you need. We often feel like buying things we don't need. Wait for 30 days. Think whether you actually need it. Bargain while buying products. Ask for a discount wherever possible. Don't hesitate if it's a big store. Be a home chef. Eating out is expensive. Limit the number of times you eat at a restaurant. Investing your money. There is no point of having a lot of money if you aren't investing it in the right avenues. Getting rid of subscriptions you don't need. It's time to get rid of all those subscriptions you haven't been using. Repair and reuse old products. Don't replace what can be maintained. Most things last much longer than the duration. Shop off-season. Avoid buying when everyone else is buying. Things are cheapest when there isn't much demand for it. Avoid paying a hefty home rent. Rent is the highest of all your spendings. Avoid using a house bigger than your requirement. Choose quality over quantity. A lot of times, choosing the cheaper item proves to be more expensive in the long run. Save and invest before spending. It'll always seem like you don't have enough to save or invest, but you must set aside a fixed amount as your saving. Sell whatever you don't need. There's no point of accumulating junk at your house. Sell everything you don't need or have no use for. Don't waste money on expensive gifts. An average Indian spends 5% of his or her salary on gifts. Use second-hand products. Buying second-hand products can be the best deal for you when you're buying items like books or automobiles. Always stay insured. We live in an uncertain world. Stay insured because prevention is always better than cure. Please like, share and follow us for more investment-related videos.